Step 1. Make sure that the receptacle socket is correctly mounted and clean. Step 2. Make sure that the termination plug is clean. Step 3. Screw out the grub screw and slip the ring nut over the sleeve. Step 4. Place the divided flange onto the ring flange. Don't over-tighten the screws, otherwise the screws or the flange may break. Step 5. Fit the rubber gasket onto the plug against the ring flange. Step 6. Wet both sides of the silicone washer with silicone oil. Step 7. Push the silicone washer over the contact pins. Step 8. Insert the termination plug into the receptacle socket. Watch the key on the plug to ensure correct positioning. Step 9. Hand tighten the ring nut. Step 10. Tighten the grub screw. Important: always replace the silicone washer with a new one, in case the ring nut has been loosened.